What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? Sorry we're a little late. We had some unsold teams that we were trying to get rid of. We do still have a couple teams available if anyone is interested before we start the break. So we do have the Dallas Cowboys for 20. We have the Carolina Panthers for 8. We have the Kansas City Chiefs available for 45. We have the Pittsburgh Steelers for 20. We have the Tampa Bay Buccaneers for 40. We have the New England Patriots for 8. Or we're going to do a spot deal with all remaining teams for 100. So we got the Panthers for 8, the Cowboys for 20, the Chiefs for 45, the Steelers for 20, the Bucks for 40, the Patriots for 8, or you can have all 6 teams for $100. So if anyone is interested in that, please comment, let me know before we start the break. While you guys think on that, let me show you the owner's list for this. This is our 2020 Mosaic Football Cello Packs 1-box break. This is number 19. This is break number 19 for Mosaic. So here's our owner's list. You can see the teams that are available. Cowboys, Chiefs, Steelers, Buccaneers. And make sure for your sorting list, you take off this guy, Panthers, Patriots. I canceled that, man. Okay, so Panthers, yeah, and Patriots. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so make sure you don't miss out on those. All right, guys, those are some nice teams that are going to get left off. Hopefully I don't pull anything nice for them. Panthers, Cowboys, Chiefs, Patriots, Steelers, and Buccaneers going into the box. So here we have our sealed box of Mosaic Football Cello Packs. This thing is heavy, man. Dang. Nah, sorry, Rob, can't do that. We'll keep them at that. All I gotta do is pull one Brady Prism and we get our money back. Alright, guys, here we go. There we go. Alright, so we're going to open up all the packs. We're going to save the pink camos for last, as always. And then we're going to open up the base packs and get all the cards out, so we don't have to spend the whole break opening and seeing what we got. So we'll start with the packs. No, Scott, no auctioning. I'm already 10 minutes behind dealing with all the teams before the break, trying to get them sold. With all the other breaks we have today, I don't want to get behind. Auctioning off 8 teams would take too long. So we just try to offer them up front for a price. We offer a combo spot deal where we discount multiple teams for the same price. And if we can't sell them after that, we just eat them. Because I don't want to take up too much time on one break. So we do the necessary, take the necessary steps to try to sell them. And if we can't, we just got to move on. Based on what the team is sold for on eBay and the actual quality of the teams that are left, I'd say the $100 for the teams that are remaining is a pretty good deal. All right, so there's our packs out. Yeah, we got another box of this. This is our first one. We got another box tonight at 7:45 Central Time. So this is the first of two that we're doing. I will get rid of the Kids Reporter cards as we go. Carolina Panthers, Dallas Cowboys, Kansas City Chiefs, New England Patriots, Pittsburgh Steelers, and the Tampa Bay Bucks. Before I start the first break, the first cards, someone can grab those for 100. Nothing's been shown yet. I do see some prisms already, and we got all those pink bonus packs. So we'll see what happens. Sounds good, Riley. Those auctions will be on our main eBay account, Giannis Grill 6. Giannis Grill 6. All right, here we go. What's up, Don? Well, technically nothing now. I'm about to start the showing of the cards because we've only got the 2 packs left here, so I spent about 15 minutes selling or trying to sell and do all that stuff, and nobody wanted it, so we're just going to eat them. But here we go, guys. Good luck. For the Jets, Joe Namath green for the Jets. Miles Sanders, and right off the bat, Tua, rookie debut, NFL debut, Tua. Miami's going out to Philip P. Tua. Ooh, we got a nice one here for Dallas. Nice flea flicker prism. Ezekiel Elliott, Amari Cooper, and Dak Prescott. Nice one for Dallas. T. Higgins. Von Miller for Denver. Robert. Touchdown Masters, Peyton Manning. So we had a Peyton Manning and another Peyton Manning. Old school Jerry Rice insert for the 49ers and Burbank. I know that name. Cole Kmet rookie for the Bears. We got a prism coming up for the Raiders. Max Crosby prism. J.K. Dobbins. Tom Brady. For the Rams, Jalen Ramsey prism. Nice looking card. Gerald picked up the Rams and the Raiders. Already got himself a couple prisms. Good pickup. Got game, Adam Thielen. Jerry Jeudy, rookie debut. We got a green Zach Thomas for Miami. For the Vikings, we got a will to win Randy Moss. Nice one here for the Packers. Aaron Rodgers got game, green prism. Nice looking insert. For Washington, we got a Chase Young. Rookie for Washington, Michael P. For the Cardinals, we had a Kyler Murray. Green, it's going to Ray. Got game, Patrick Mahomes. Jim Kelly. Roethlisberger. We got a LaDainian Tomlinson. Touchdown Masters for the Chargers. Nice little CD Lamb rookie here for the Dallas Cowboys. Deebo Samuel, prism for the 49ers. Old school, Dak Prescott. Or I'm sorry, Roger Staubach. There we go. That's a nice one. Joe Burrow, NFL rookie debut for the Bengals. Bengals are Susanna R. Joe Burrow, Susanna R. We got a prism coming up for the Eagles. Deshaun Jackson. Deshaun Jackson prism. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. John Elway Hall of Fame insert. Green prism. Aaron Rodgers will to win insert. Calais Campbell. We got game Nick Chubb. Keyshawn Vaughn rookie. Dwayne Haskins green. We got a Devin Singletary base. Boomer Esiason. Nice one here for Tennessee. Will to win Derrick Henry prism. It's a nice looking insert there for Tennessee. And then for Tennessee again, we got a Darrington Evans rookie. Chandler Jones for Ray. Red prism. Green prism, I'm sorry. Chase Young, NFL rookie debut. Ooh, here's a nice one for the Chiefs. Patrick Mahomes, Will to Win Prism insert. Nice looking card. James Morgan, rookie. For the Cowboys, Roger Staubach, Prism. Old school Barry Sanders. Prism of Emmitt Smith for the Cowboys. Devin Duvernay. Green Michael Thomas for the Saints. And for the Saints again, flea flicker insert. Alvin Kamara, Drew Brees, Michael Thomas. Jalen Reagor, rookie.
What happened? For who? Oh, my bad. Sorry. Frisbee is in the hoop break too, so you can take his package out.
Will to Win, Patrick Mahomes, that's just the base. Anthony McFarland Jr.
I meant to write that down.
Marquise Brown. We got a Daniel Tomlinson green prism. Tom Brady got game. Julius Peppers, old school insert, green. And Jake Fromm. Alright guys, so we got our pink camo packs last here. See if we can get lucky with these. Good luck. We got Tyrann Mathieu, Kirk Cousins, and our rookie for the Washington football team, Antonio Gibson. For Washington, Michael P. Emmitt Smith, Marshawn Lynch, and TJ Watt for the Steelers. Mark Andrews, Michael Thomas. There we go. For Philadelphia, Jalen Hurts, pink. Not bad at all. Jalen Hurts, pink. Philadelphia is going out to Adam S. Nice Jalen Hurts, pink, Adam. Deion Sanders, Jason Taylor. Nice one for Kansas City, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, pink rookie for the Chiefs. Nice Clyde Edwards. Calvin Johnson, newest Hall of Famer. Tyler Lockett. Oh! NFL debut, Joe Burrow, pink. Joe Burrow, pink for Cincinnati. Susanna R. How about that, Joe Burrow, pink? There you go. Nice looking card. Thurman Thomas. Stephon Gilmore. Nice one again for the Cowboys. CeeDee Lamb. CeeDee Lamb, pink for the Cowboys. CeeDee Lamb. Luke Kuechly, Sam Darnold, and Jalen Reagor. NFL debut, Jalen Reagor. So we got Peyton Manning, Mike Williams, and Devin Duvernay. Devin Duvernay. Yeah, not a bad pink rookie run at all. Not too bad, jeez. Tyler Boyd, Terry Bradshaw, and Troy Aikman. I'll try. Aaron Rodgers, Chris Conley, and a Clyde Edwards-Helaire rookie debut. So that's our second Clyde Edwards. All right, guys, 2 packs left. Christian McCaffrey, Melvin Gordon. Hey, there you go. Jonathan just asked if I could pull him a LaVisca Chenault. There you go, Jonathan. Happy Friday. LaVisca Chenault Jr., pink. For Jonathan, there you go. LaVisca Chenault Jr., pink. Alright guys, last pack and then we'll do a recap. Darius Leonard, James Conner, and MVP's Tom Brady. That's a nice looking card for the Pats. Alright, so let's do our recap real quick. Not too many cards, but we got a few. Start with this LaVisca Chenault, pink for Jonathan. Next, we got a CeeDee Lamb pink for Dallas. Not a bad looking card. And then for Cincinnati, these cards are so shiny the camera can't pick them up. There we go. Joe Burrow for Cincinnati. Nice Clyde Edwards-Helaire for the Chiefs. Jalen Hurts. Jalen Hurts for the Eagles. And then we got our Joe Burrow NFL debut. And then we got our Tua Tagovailoa NFL debut. So no Herbert in this box. Still a pretty nice box though, a lot of rookies. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. We do have one more break this afternoon at 3:15, so about 15 minutes I'll be back. That's going to be our 5-box blaster of NBA Hoops. So until then, guys, I want to thank everybody in the chat, thank everybody for watching, and thank everybody that got into the break. So until next time, guys, stay safe. We'll see you later. Have a good one.